We are the founders of the Cognitive Care Assistant app, a neuroscience-driven app supporting dementia patients, caregivers, and physicians. Millions of daily not knowing where or who they are. This is the reality for dementia. Dementia itself isn't directly fatal. That's why effective continuous monitoring can reduce risk and improve quality of life. The purpose of this study is to evaluate the usability and interface design of the Cognitive Care Assistant app and to validate the accuracy of its integrated sensors for detecting muscle activity and physical movements. The Cognitive Care Assistant app, a multimodal digital health platform utilizing embedded sensing technologies, will demonstrate high usability and interface clarity while accurately monitoring cognitive engagement, EMG-based muscle activity, mobility patterns, nutrition and medication adherence, cognitive checks, and sleep-related behavioral biomarkers to support caregiver-based monitoring and dementia care. Dementia claims 1.8 million lives globally each year. Dementia is a major global health challenge. 57 million live with dementia, costing $1.8 trillion globally. Understanding dementia's leading risks guided our smarter preventive design. Our app supports memory, routines, and communication. Our app integrates cognitive checks, mobility and activity tracking, medication management, nutrition and hydration recording, behavioral analyzing, and remote patient monitoring. The app connects users, patients, and caregivers through an easy-to-navigate interface. With real-time remote monitoring, caretakers and physicians can oversee health, behavior, and daily activities anywhere. Smart alerts and reminders for medication, hydration, mobility, and comfort ensure peace of mind and continuous support. Each function is powered by specialized technology integrated into one unified health platform. We use various programming languages, development environments, and online tools to create the app. After sign-in, users reach the dashboard, where you can reach the app at www.cognitivecareassistant.com. The app provides cognitive checks through structured questions, assessing memory, orientation, and attention. Patients respond to questions about time, place, and memories. Cognitive checks are designed using a JavaScript-based question bank. Memory games performance can be tracked for monitoring. You can even upload personal photos as a jigsaw. The memory games include matching pairs and jigsaw puzzles, coded with shuffle logic to randomize emoji pairs for a different layout each time. Our app provides intelligent medication, nutrition, and hydration reminders. This screen displays the medicine and nutrition reminder controls. Each switch enables automated notifications. This is powered by JavaScript functions, schedule medication, and hydration prompts.
The app not only tracks daily movement patterns, but also promotes strength and independence by providing guided exercise routines. This feature provides guided exercise videos combined with real-time monitoring using a MyAware 2.0 muscle sensor. These are the materials to develop the EMG sensor, which connects to the app with Wi-Fi. Our hardware includes a case and EMG MyAware muscle sensor. After hardware setup, we program the EMG MyAware to wirelessly transmit muscle voltage data to the app monitoring. Our mobility and activity module connects the MyAware 2.0 muscle sensor to track real-time muscle engagement. This JavaScript code converts analog voltage signals 0 to 5 volts to digital percentages, displaying muscle intensity and activation effort for stretching, weights, and cardio exercises. This interface displays the live EMG workout dashboard. Patients can choose guided workouts and muscle activation output in real time. If recording mode is on, it saves each data point for later graphing or analysis. Behavioral analysis detects changes in mood, sleep, and cognition. The sleep study feature monitors sleep quality using infrared temperature sensors. These are the materials to develop the thermal sensor, which connects to the app with Wi-Fi. The sleep behavioral thermal sensor is also integrated with a Raspberry Pi. After hardware setup, we programmed the heat sensor to wirelessly transmit heat mapping data to the app. This code powers real-time body temperature tracking. It activates the AMG A833 thermal sensor, sets a 22.5 Celsius baseline, and logs data over time. Each 8x8 thermal frame is flattened into a list, averaged, and analyzed to detect temperature changes. Temperature sensors transmit thermal data to the Cognitive Care Assistant app, where algorithms analyze averages across pixels to detect changes that might signal restlessness or discomfort. This procedure outlines the MyAware 2.0 muscle sensor accuracy validation, conducted using 3 diverse subjects with 3 trials per subject. This data shows subject 1 maximum peak voltage during muscle activation compared to full rest. This data shows an overlap of subject 1's 3 trials, demonstrating a consistent 100% detection accuracy across all trials. Data from the other 2 subjects also demonstrated consistent and reliable detection of muscle activity. The data demonstrates consistent EMG signal detection across repeated trials during muscle activation. Systematic errors from electrode placement, subcutaneous fat, and sensor calibration, along with random variations in movement and signal noise, affected voltage magnitude but did not impact the system's consistent detection of muscle activation and motion. This procedure describes controlled thermal motion testing using the EMG-833 sensor. Subjects were told to perform time movements at 15-second intervals. This graph shows the overlap heat mapping data for Subject 1. Across subjects aged 12, 15, and 51, motion variance differed due to natural movement differences, but the system achieved 100% motion detection accuracy in all trials, demonstrating robust and age-independent performance. Motion variance magnitude varied due to physical and positional factors, but the thermal sensor consistently and accurately detected the timing of movement across all trials.
Survey respondents were primarily adults ages 42 to 69, predominantly female, representing a diverse mix of family members, caregivers, healthcare professionals, and clinical specialists involved in dementia care. Validation results showed high overall satisfaction and strong recommendation, with reminders of RAIN's most useful, followed by all-in-one organization and cognitive checks. Additional feedback emphasized strong real-world adoption interest, with memory clinics seeking beta testing and highlighted version 2.0 enhancements, such as improved accessibility, AI-driven cognitive baselines, expanded games, and sleep features, while reinforcing the apps at high impact, integrated design, and meaningful support for caregivers. Strong adoption interest, high perceived impact, clear market differentiation, and overwhelmingly positive feedback demonstrate the app's value, usability, and potential to meaningfully support caregivers and patients. We received extensive constructive feedback that helped identify meaningful improvements and guided enhancements to make the app more robust, user-centered, and clinically relevant.
Accuracy testing showed that the combined MyAware EMG and EMG-8833 thermal sensor reliably and repeatedly detected muscle activation and motion only during movement periods, with no false positives during full rest across all subjects and trials. Usability evaluation showed high confidence, clarity, and satisfaction among caregivers and healthcare professionals, confirming that the app's integrated features and accurate sensor data effectively support practical dementia care needs. The main difficulties included learning advanced programming using Cursor, building the interface in Next.js, integrating multiple software languages in real time, and resolving hardware issues with sensor calibration, connectivity, and power management. This project required learning biomedical research principles and user-centered design to balance a simple patient interface with advanced data access for caregivers and healthcare professionals. The results of our project supported our hypothesis. Validated sensor accuracy and usability reviewed by professional caregivers, healthcare specialists, assisted living staff, and Congressman Greg Steube confirmed that the cognitive care assistant is a feasible real-world tool for dementia care through integrated monitoring, reminders, and cognitive engagement. Personal experiences with dementia in our family and volunteering at a memory care center inspired us to create a compassionate, technology-driven app that supports patients, caregivers, and clinicians in daily dementia care. In real-world use, the cognitive care assistant can be deployed in homes, assisted living facilities, and clinical settings to support daily routines, enable remote monitoring by healthcare professionals, and improve communication between patients, caregivers, and clinicians through continuous objective data tracking. This project combined empathy, biomedical engineering, and technical growth to create a real-world digital health solution that improves safety, independence, and caregiver support for individuals affected by dementia. We sincerely thank our parents for their supervision and support, Ms. Flayhaven for her guidance and help with ISEF submission, the survey participants for their valuable insights, and the judges for their time, evaluation, and feedback that strengthened this project. Thank you.